Okay, hello friends, you're welcome back again to our video channel on Chimadi Digital Video channel. So I just want to show you this. It's very important for those of us, whether you're kind of a teacher or whoever you are, you can create contents. You can create content on it, whatever, anything at all, and get paid doing that. So you can see whether it's on YouTube or on Facebook. It's very important to start creating contents. Yes, especially if you're a Nigerian African. You look for job. It's not easy. Unemployment rate is so much, and all of those things. But then that little thing you know how to do. It could be knowledge based, whatever. It could be skill. It could be how to do this or that. If as much as you know something, even those things you think, oh, everyone knows it now. You are dealing with a global community where you may have millions of people, global citizens, that don't know how to do that particular thing, and they are seeking for how to know this. So you have got a very big opportunity to say, okay, let me start doing something on this area. And already you've been putting your data online. Why not use that period? It doesn't matter how small you start. Begin from somewhere, especially on YouTube channel. Start creating contents. Be doing little things, and in the course of time, you see yourself making money from YouTube. When I started my YouTube content, I couldn't remember what made me to start. That means it wasn't about money. I never knew about monetization. I never have understanding of what it means. So I was just doing some things regularly, but I wasn't that serious. I remember I had 38 subscribers, just steady like that. But then something happened. That was a particular program that came up. I joined that program. So my quest to be, I see a lot of people asking too many questions. How do we do this? But I have learned how to do those things. So on my own, I felt like I should be preparing videos and show people how to do it. And that was how I started preparing videos. But I will send the video first on my YouTube and then share in the group. People watch it. And that's how, if you know, it's before my very eyes, question of week, 2 weeks or so, the YouTube grew from 38 to 600 and something. Before you know it, I jumped to one. My God, I now got understanding of monetization is possible, and that was how before you know it, I got monetized. Do you understand? I said when I started, there was no thought of monetization, but I was doing some. That's how exactly our life is huge, and we live in a world of digital. That is it. So as long as digital content is concerned and monetization, it has come to stay. You're not going to say, oh, tomorrow, what if? No. In fact, it's becoming bigger. Many platforms are now paying. See, when YouTube started, it was only YouTube. Imagine now Facebook say, we are ready to pay. TikTok say, yes, we are going to pay. Instagram say, we are going to pay. Everybody is now rushing, please come, give us content. We're going to pay. Think about it. Is it not for your good? So please. And if you are a teacher, I have interest for teachers. If you're a teacher, you want to, create contents, you want to, know how to do this, please contact me and chat me privately. I want to have a special class for you on this, and I bet you won't regret it. So please do well. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, because you're going to have valuable information here. Subscribe, share this video, challenge others, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.